Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how add event to your calendar on your Oppo A40. We start off opening our calendar application. In it we can change view for a month to be easily and tap on day when we want to add our event. Tap there, month and choose day, maybe 23 of October, and there this plus icon and event. First step, you can add title of your event, what you need. There we can set it will be task, birthday or something or event. Now we can choose when event starts, in which time and finish. Or we can set it will be all the event by switch off, switch on, repeat of that if we need it. We can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event starts, add location of that, notification maybe 1 week before, and we can add more than one, and custom. There we can change color of our notification to this event, description and attachment. After you set all you need, press save and we have it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.